name is Rosemary Cordasco, and I am the CFO and one of the owners of the New Crystal Restoration Enterprises. We've been in business since 1960. My father-in-law started the business then, and we were the first restoration company in Westchester County. We primarily provide our service to both residential and commercial clients. We provide fire, water, mold remediation, asbestos abatement, and then also reconstruction services. We're also one of the first restoration companies to offer green restoration services to our clients. And the reason being is that Lisa, when we took over the company from her dad, it was important for her to offer green products, since her son is autistic, and especially to people in that community, the use of harsh chemicals, can be very detrimental to their health. So that was the genesis of that, of us offering that, and it's been, very successful, and we will continue to use it, in all the rest services that we provide.
I am Marie Scherrer. I am the new Chief Executive Director for New Crystal Restoration, and as Rosemary said, we do provide all restoration services. We also provide the above and beyond white glove service, where we can take care of the client, be it a small residential or a large commercial client, even going into some light industrial work, handling their capital improvements or their emergency restoration needs. The focus is truly, as a family-run business, truly on serving the family, serving the client so that they are at ease and at comfort at all times, answering the questions that they might have, no matter what they are, making sure that they understand the process.
Not all of the restoration companies utilize the green products that we do. The products that we do use are Benefact, and they are, they're green, they're environmentally friendly. You can use them, and they will not be toxic to both the people who are providing the services or employees. So it's important, for them to be safe, as well as the people, the residents there, and pets. So, and we're also continually always looking to find ways to be eco-friendly, and also looking for new products that we can use in our services.
And that's exactly what I was just going to say, is that we're constantly looking to improve in ways of, are there new chemicals that are out there, products that are out there, that are going to help us provide a more eco-friendly product for our clients and our consumers. We're right now in the process of going through looking at and reevaluating some of the services and the products that we use, with the goal maintaining a clean environment, again, not only for our clients but also for our employees.
Well, the restoration business industry continues to be a male dominated industry, but that is starting to change. And even though I feel like sometimes we have to work a little harder than our male counterparts, it's definitely worth the rewards, not only financial, but also in that you're continually helping people in both, residential and commercial situations to get their properties and their lives back. And I also feel that in the industry you have a lot of women who are willing to mentor and to help other women. So I think that that's also something that I would recommend. Look for people that would be willing to be your mentor and to help you in your professional career.
I completely agree. I think we were just speaking about this morning, and it's really important having that tribe, having that group of women that understand, especially in this construction or the restoration industry, understand what you're going through and will support you. And it's very interesting. I find more women in our field really support and strengthen, and rather than tear down, are trying to build up. I have mentors. I used to own a restoration company before. I still have mentors that are in the field with different companies, different franchises that are just truly my support and my strength.
Lisa is also on the board, Lisa Cordasco, our president, and she has been able to foster many relationships through the BRI. Many of the property owners, the management companies or board members attend those meetings, and sometimes it might not be them that has an initial need for our services, but they know somebody, and it's definitely a community of people that really look to help each other out and give references for people that are part of the committee and also part of the team.
I agree with that, and again, BRI has really been, because I'm new to the BRI since moving in here with New Crystal. But the members have been very supportive, introducing us to not only potential clients that we may build a relationship with, but also pushing us past to engineers, structural engineers, and beyond property managers, again, beyond clients, and just really building that strengthening relationship.
We are, always trying to look for new areas for our company to grow and develop in. We're focusing right now more on being able to provide reconstruction services to many of our property managers. There seems to be a need for that we've identified through having a lot of interactions with the property manager. We've been doing, I think you've been participating in them. We give a presentation to, like once a month or whatever, and they've all kind of voiced the fact that that's an area that many of them now, the structures of these properties are old and they need to be refreshed. So that's something that we're looking to explore. We just recently completed a major renovation in a hallway project in Ossining for one of our property managers, and it went very well. So we're hoping to piggyback on that project and be able to offer that to other of our property managers.
I think another aspect that we're really looking at is education, not only for our insurance brokers and adjusters, but also for property managers. Teaching them a little bit about what we do. We don't expect them to know everything that we know, and how our technicians and our project managers what they know, but just understanding, having a little bit of a grasp as to what's going on, so that when they walk in front of their clients, they have a better understanding what the process is going to be, so that they can better serve and answer their clients.